Alright, what's up everyone? Brass Goblin reloading here. Alright, so getting ready to prime one of my 300 blackout brass cartridges, and I'm going to test this. Seriously? Oh my god, are you kidding me? One of my primers are stuck. What are the chances of that? Anyway, so I'm going to test it out. See, there's a primer in there. Okay, I'm going to test it out with one of these crimped. Just make sure. And yep, it's not working. Oh no. Oh no. Yep, it's stuck. Damn it. I think I just wasted one. Hope I just didn't waste one. Let's see if I could pop it out. Yes. Okay. And I don't see any significant damages on this. Looks like the anvil popped out a little bit. The anvil is that little, what looks like that little nuclear logo. That's the anvil. It looks like it's popped out, but it's not broken or damaged. But I will have to ream this. So let me go ahead and demonstrate.